Today, we will be demonstrating Cisco's Unified Contact Center Enterprise, UCCE, and Google's Dialogflow and CCAI, Contact Center Artificial Intelligence. This demo is presented to you today by CX Advanced Solutions. Before we get into the demonstration, let me just take a few moments to talk about the overall infrastructure. Cisco's Voice Virtual Assistant is supported on Cisco CVP 12.5, which can be integrated with Cisco's UCCE 11.6 version and higher. If you're currently not running Cisco CVP 12.5, you could also possibly add a second 12.5 CVP cluster to your existing UCCE and CVP 11.6 version and higher. Cisco's Chat Virtual Assistant is supported on Cisco's ECE, Enterprise Email and Chat, 11.6 version and higher. With Cisco's Virtual Assistant and CCAI, a customer can call in, speak their intent, and either automatically go to the right department or do a self-service interaction with the AI. As in most traditional IVR menus, there are a lot of options and branches. The customer would normally have to navigate through the menu tree to get to the right person or department. With Virtual Assistant, the customer will be able to speak their intent, basically flattening out the IVR menu tree, and allow the customer to go directly to the person or department that they need. In the first demonstration, I will be making 2 voice calls, and in the second half of the demo, we will be using web chat. For the first voice call, we'll be demonstrating how a customer would be able to do a self-service interaction with the AI, along with giving a lot of information up front on what they want. Once we complete the self-service, we will then ask to speak to a representative, and the information collected will be displayed to the agent. The second call will have the same intent, but we'll only give a little bit of information and let the AI figure out what other information it needs to collect. Let's call into the demo.
Hello and thank you for calling Healthcare Systems. I found an account based on the number you're calling from. To confirm it's your account, please say or enter the date of birth of the person you're calling about.
February 2nd, 1972.
I heard you say February 2nd, 1972. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please tell me how I can help you.
I would like to get a quote for the next open enrollment period for my family with the Gold Plan, and my zip code is 45233.
Great. Please tell me your name.
John Smith.
When would you like your new plan to go into effect?
January 1st, 2021.
What is your household annual income?
$75,000.
Thank you, John Smith. Your estimated monthly premium would range from $1,100 to $1,500 depending on plan selected. This is for a family Gold plan, starting on the 1st of January 2021 with a location zip code of 45233 and an annual household income of $75,000. Would you like us to repeat the quote information?
No, thank you.
Please tell me how I can help you.
May I speak to a representative?
Please hold while we transfer you to a representative.
I am now going to switch to the Cisco Finesse Agent desktop. Before the agent answers, a window will pop up that will show some of the data points that were collected from the customer. Once the agent answers the call, they will be able to see other data points that were collected from this call in the interaction with the AI. On the upper left-hand side, we can see what intent was matched from the customer. In addition, the agent will be able to see information that was collected, such as their name, the type of plan, the zip code, the annual income, along with other information. I'll now hang up this call, and this time I'm going to use the same intent, but only give a little bit of information and let the AI figure out what other information is required.
Hello and thank you for calling Healthcare Systems. I found an account based on the number you're calling from. To confirm it's your account, please say or enter the date of birth of the person you're calling about.
December 19th, 1968.
I heard you say December 19th, 1968. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please tell me how I can help you.
I would like to get a quote for the next open enrollment using the Silver Plan.
Great. Please tell me your name.
John Smith.
Thank you, John Smith. Open enrollment starts November 1st to December 15th. Which plan would you like? You can say primary, primary and partner, primary and child, primary and children, or family.
Primary and wife,
When would you like your new plan to go into effect?
January 1st, 2021.
What is your zip code?
45201,
What is your household annual income?
$85,000.
Thank you, John Smith. Your estimated monthly premium would range from $700 to $1,100 depending on plan selected. This is for a primary silver plan, starting on the 1st of January 2021 with a location zip code of 45201 and an annual household income of amount $85,000. Currency USD dollars. Would you like us to repeat the quote information?
No, thank you.
Please tell me how I can help you.
May I speak to a representative?
Please hold while we transfer you to a representative.
As the call is delivered to the agent, they again will get the screen pop-up window. When the agent picks up the call, the agent will be able to see all the information that the customer entered. Here we can see the different information we spoke this time, such as the plan type, plan level, zip code, and the annual income. Let's now jump over to the web chat demo. On the left side of the screen, we have a fictitious company and website for healthcare services. On this website, there is an embedded Chat with HCS button that we can use to interact with the AI chatbot and then a live agent. On the right side of the screen, we have the Cisco Enterprise Chat and Email Client. This is the light version, and it can be embedded right into the Cisco Agent desktop. I will now log in, and we will begin the chat as a customer, giving a few pieces of information, and then letting the AI figure out what other information is required. I will now click on the chat button, and the chatbot will respond with the opening greeting. I will then type my question. I would like to get a quote for the open enrollment period for my family on the Gold Plan. As you can see, the AI then responds with a few additional questions. Once I am finished answering these questions, the AI will respond with an estimated quote based on the parameters that I provided. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my agent in ready state and then type that I want to talk to an agent. The agent will then get the pop-up, which I will accept. The agent will then be able to see all the interaction that the customer had with the chatbot. Also, within the customer tab, we can see other information that was captured, such as the first name, last name, email, and telephone number. At this point, the agent and the customer can talk back and forth. Within the agent chat desktop, you also can set up quick responses to help automate common greetings and responses to your customers. The first greeting is a simple greeting saying, "Hello, thank you for your patience. How may I help you today?" Or you also can set up macros in the quick responses that will grab certain information, in this case, the first name. That concludes our demo. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us at 513-275-5915 or Mark H. at CX Advanced Solutions.